You're so alone when your kid is diagnosed with cancer. The instant his diagnosis happened, daycare stopped, preschool stopped.
Along with a cancer diagnosis, oftentimes comes the struggles in school academically. We forget that these kids are often isolated from those opportunities. When the child's diagnosed, the whole family's diagnosed.
Our life went from being very, very busy and full of people to being able to be around like nobody. And so for my older kid, it was really, really hard. He had a lot of jealousy, a lot of fear. And then coming here and getting to participate in SAIL, he's made friends.
One of my goals was to find a charity and a place that we could really make an impact in the Tampa Bay area. And working with the people who are running the Children's Cancer Center and then seeing all the great things they did with the children and the families really resonated with us, and it was a no-brainer for us to get involved. And that's kind of what inspired us to start the Knead for Knowledge Scholarship Program, which also led to the SAIL program.
It's an opportunity for kids on active treatment and their siblings to be in an environment that's safe and familiar, to catch up on their academic work, but still have an opportunity to enjoy learning.
It's given our kids a chance to socialize, to make this normal. This is all they ask for. Like every week they're like, can we go to the Children's Cancer Center? You wouldn't believe the amount that they want to do here, and it's given them a normal kid life.
In the early 1970s, Dr. Jan Judish really recognized that kids needed more than medicine to be well. We really needed to wrap resources around the entire family. It was at that time that Dr. Jan Judish and the Burnett family of Tampa Bay started the Children's Cancer Center that today, 50 years later, offers over 26 support programs. We would not be able to deploy or implement our programs without the ongoing support that we've received from Kevin and Carrie and the Cavelli Family Limited Partnership.
It's hard to believe that we've been supporting the Children's Cancer Center for 17 years. A few years in, we realized there was an educational void at the center, and that's where we were able to step in and start the Knead for Knowledge Scholarship Program for those children who beat and/or are still battling cancer and heading off to college.
The Knead for Knowledge Scholarship Program is this tremendous opportunity. The children start in what we refer to as our SAIL program, Students Achieving Through Interactive Learning.
The SAIL program was really created to help bridge those educational, emotional, and social gaps that the children experience through all of their hospital visits and missed school days.
The kids arrive with a tremendous amount of enthusiasm and excitement. Panera provides the meal for the kids. They get a day full of just a variety of different facilitators.
Their favorites have definitely been the art therapy, which is really, really cool to me.
I like making friends for Sam, going outside and playing with them. Sam makes us feel very happy because I've made lots of friends.
When a child or their family walks through the front door of a Children's Cancer Center, it should feel like a respite opportunity. It should feel like home away from home. We have an art room, we have a music room with a music therapist, we have a gaming room. The second story of the building is where they're doing reading lessons, SAT, ACT prep, as well as our second story is often used for our sib shop, where the siblings really get to openly connect with other siblings.
His older brother used to come with him to chemo, and now he can't. And so he gets to make those connections again with some of his friends when he's here. And when he's doing SAIL, and he's such a social kid that it lets him have that outlet.
And ultimately, what happens is this amazing opportunity when they're a senior in high school to apply for a scholarship for secondary education opportunities.
Students apply through the Children's Cancer Center, and every year I have the privilege of reading through those essays. Cancer does not define these children. It's the fight that makes them so strong and courageous. Year after year, we see a lot of the same families at the scholarship dinner, and that means so much to us.
For sure, the scholarship dinner has been the thing that has resonated with me the most, to be able to see these children and what they've been through and now going on to some of these wonderful universities. A lot of the money that goes towards Knead for Knowledge Scholarship Program comes from our actual customers, not only just because there's a donation box there, but because it's actually to the Children's Cancer Center, and it means something that's near and dear to their hearts as well.
I feel a tremendous amount of gratitude for Kevin and Carrie. Our local Panera Breads make this opportunity possible for us.